start. Today we complete list. Can you open the notebook? Just 1 second. I'll open this 7:30. See, the moment when you start the notebook, let's start with list again. And yesterday, what are the topics I covered? List, how many functions we covered? Okay, answer me. After colon, how many spaces it takes by default? 4 spaces indentations. Online team, yes. How many spaces, guys? 4 spaces. Why Python is called dynamic programming language? Why Python is called dynamic programming language? Because it understand what type of data when a user define, five, float, all those things, isn't it? Yep, those things we that no need to explicitly mentions. Very good. Okay, so you have to open the notes and you mention list here. You have to run again from the beginning, because the moment when you close this notepad from the memory, every item is flushed out, isn't it? So when you reopen, you have to rerun or not, guys? You getting my point? What I'm saying? So I'm saying, okay. So team Srinivas and Gauri, Soumyakant and Swati, Jagdish, can we talk at the end of the day? Yes, guys? Okay. All right. So if you, can you work with me offline and online team? Did you bring the laptop, or who didn't bring because of rain? So please, you can, okay. Now let's start. List always assigned with square brackets. Let's execute. What is type of list? It is a list. Do we have any items inside the list? No, it is a zero. Okay, so the student who joined for the first time, calm down, don't worry. So the name of the course is Full Stack Data Science AI, Gen AI, and I will speak with you again and then we continue it. Okay, so no need to be worried. I will speak with you individual. Thank you. So please understand today's class. That's why I'll explain from beginning again. Now, list is empty or not? This is empty. So length is 0. Append 10. What is append? Add the element at n. So just go here. No need to write. Just execute the code which you done. Just execute. Now print L. Okay. Do you see the print? I want to append 20, 30, 40. Just go ahead. Add element. Yes. And then length of L and zero index. Do you see this, guys? What happened? How do we count? We count from 1, 2, 3, 4. But as I said, the system counts as 0, 1. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3. Just go here and L of 0 is 10. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Just go here and execute 40 or not. List of -1, back indexing. So here, forward indexing. Do you see forward the music, backward the music? You see Amazon movies or not? You forward the movie and reverse the movie. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, and backward -1, -2, -3, -4. Am I clear up to this? Okay, you guys done? Then length would be 4. Now this part we covered, -1. Length is 4 element, and this we get, this is, I mean, we talk about other data types as well, because I have to execute one more time or else I cannot run the code. So let's go to the list and length here, and then for loop. When you say colon, by default, how many spaces? 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just go ahead and execute. So this be 4 spaces. Good. Now list and length of list is how many elements? 8 elements or not? So one short list. Yeah, I will tell you. I'll tell you. Naveen, wait. We'll do today. We'll complete list and tuple. Today we'll complete list and tuple. Just work with me. I'll give you the documents. There's a lot of tasks today. I will assign. Okay. Now L2. Now I haven't defined L dot copy or not. When I say copy, what happened? Let's check. All the elements are copied or not? Copy, guys. So L equals to L1. True. Why, guys? Because I didn't call L here. One moment. Let me execute this. Now you get, I think L1 is deleted, right? L2. Now you true. Check L1. We deleted or not? L2 and then L1 dot clear. So we haven't defined it because we deleted yesterday. So that's why you got bug. Understand? So that one we already done. So list L2 to have L1 we don't have. Anyway, we deleted. Understand up to this? But count. You know what is count? 10. If I click this, append duplicates is allowed or not, guys? Duplicates is allowed. So online team and offline team, the student who joined for the first time, don't be panic, don't worry. We will come back and I'll explain one more time and I'll give you all the recordings, then we talk. L dot count to 10 how many times repeats? 1 and 2 times. 20 how many times repeats? 1 and 2. So that's why 40 one time, 1000 0. I hope we done this. Now L dot index 20. What is 20 index? Anyone? 20. We have 220. One and last. Which one it gives you? First one. Why? Shift tab. Written first index of the value. So this is the first index it will get. 2 arguments can we allow? No. 1 argument, 2 argument, no. Index 20. Okay. Pop. What is pop, guys? Music. No. Pop is a function in list where it removes the last element and it returns. Just execute and now L20 is removed, isn't it? L dot remove 20. That means what happened? Understand the difference between pop and remove or not? Yesterday I explained so well, and don't forget this again. Just try this now. L dot remove 10. Just execute. Okay, it's everything is removed. No, yeah, pop 3. 3 index or not? 0, 1, 2, 3. Just go ahead and try. True. Now let's check L. L2 dot pop. See, no guys, why we learn this? In organizations, let's say your manager says, I close my business in that country. I close my business in one country. From the database, please remove entire country details. For that, we have to apply remove functions or not? Assume you create a bank account in ICICI Bank or maybe SBI Bank and you don't use that. So the developer in ICICI Bank, they will remove your detail or not? So that's why these functions has to be important, guys. Concept clear? So all these concepts which we learning right now, we implement in day-to-day life, but you don't know that because nobody tells you and you never research that. So in the class, I will tell you all the concepts, what's going on in real time. Am I clear? Just go ahead, L.pop, and we done this. So I hope you done pop, L2, remove. This is what we covered here. Now I want to continue. I will share you these documents. And if you are a non-technical, don't worry. Just look at this. We'll start working one by one. In this list, we assigned interdata type or not? 10, 30, 60. This one, float. This one, string. This one, mixed. Can we see? Can we assign nested list? List inside the list is called nested list. Okay. So I want to L2. What is L2? I have these things or not? Let me go back to L2 now. L2 dot, okay, L2 dot append. I want to add 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay. So append means what? We append any data type. We append any data type or not? I want to add, yeah, so just 1 second. Yeah, no, I want to append list here and Then check this. Just go ahead and try. And then L2. Do you see list inside the list is allowed or not? So this concept's called nested list. For example, L2 dot append, and I want to add string A, string B, and string C. Just execute. Oops, it's done 2 times. Now L2, do you see nested list or not? Are you clear? Are you work with me? Are you guys doing it? So nest, if you're not doing, just concentrate the class and then you can try that. Okay. So nested list, it is allowed. So online team, are you working with me? So slowly, when you addicted with the classes every day. So when we build a lot of projects, so you guys nailed it. I will no need to tell, immediately you can do it. Okay. Are you done this one? Can you please do so complete? Everyone completed? Okay, let's go to the next one. Today, many people has more questions about indexing. Indexes are two types, forward index and so indexes are two type. Forward index start from left to right. Let's go to the documentations. So forward indexing starting from left to right, and we count from 0. Start from 0 index, first index, second index, and all those things. Backward indexing also right to left. How do we start? -1, then go to -2, and then -3, and dot, 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 dot. Goes on, isn't it? So this is what in neural network, in deep learning, we have a concept forward propagation and backward propagations. Understand, guys? In neural network, we have a concept called forward propagations and backward propagations. Now just done this. Now I want to, let's go to the documents and I try to explain one by one. So follow this, what we have here. Now I want to write a few concepts here. Let's try. List 3 is equals to, let me write down list slicing, some of the values called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's assume I pass 10 numbers. Okay, just go here and L3 and L3. Okay, so let's see in the industry, let's assume your manager said, I want to change 1 to 100. I want to change 1 to 100. So how to change means element I have to change or not? Inside, see, in the memory, I create a L3 variable. Okay. And inside L3 variable, you have a list data structure, guys. You have a list data structures. And here I have 1, 2, 3. So your manager said you need to change 1 to 100. Do you say, I don't know, I don't change? You do whatever you do? Or do you say like that, guys? If you say like this, HR will give a big warning letter. Okay, you do whatever you do. Understand? HR also say like that. So you have to follow whatever your boss says. So that means, how do I change? Just go here. List of 0 index equals to list of 0 is what? Why we got 30? Because L3. This is L3 variable or not? Now just go here and execute L3 1. Now L3 0 to 100. Just execute. And now L3, don't you think we change 100 or not? This concept called mutable. List is mutable. Just go here and write down the documents. List is always mutable, means changeable or hashable. Okay, or hashable. Very much understand what is mutable, guys? Mutable means List is a mutable. So let's assume once you define the elements, if you want to change any value, would you change or not? Let's say list 3 minus 1, okay, minus 1 to 200. Can you do this? Which value would be 200 now? Which has replaced to 200 online team? 10 or 9? 10. So just go here and execute. Now let's check L3. Understand very important concepts I teach you today, which is mutable. Okay, mutable means changeable. Once you define the element, can we change this element or not? Online team, the student who joined for the first time, if you guys little Python background, then you understand. If you don't know anything and it's completely new, blank screen, don't worry, just understand the class, try to understand, and then I'll speak with you. I will talk to you, and then we guide you it all together. Clear, guys? Next, try this. So mutable concepts, are you clear? Now, index we done, slice. L3 means we got all these elements or not? L3 empty slice means what? Execute. It display entire element or not? Empty slice means what? It display. Are you doing with me? Are you working with me offline team? Or you open a Instagram? Okay, so there's a no net. Okay, you have a net. So let's try L3 and empty slice means what? You got all those things or not? Now listen to this. Here, ask answer me L2, L2, 1 slice. Can you tell me what is output here? Listen to me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, the guys who are expert in Python, just calm down because I have to teach them basics. Okay. So what is output, guys? L3, 1. What is meaning of this? We are saying, hey, Python cell, give me the element from first index to last index. Do you see this? So the moment when you go ahead and call it 2 to 200, pretty clear, guys? Concept clear? Okay, now just understand. So let me clear them all. Are you working? Are you working with me? If not, you will do it later. But while you work, if you, if you feel you backward, stop it here, focus the class. Okay. Stop it there and you will do it later. Now, next one, L3. Now just go to L3. Slicing, understand or not? Can you tell me L3 and slice 8? Answer me what is output now. Answer me what is output. Again, let me write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 100 to 8 or 9? I said 8, right? Then 0 to 7th. Why 7th? What is the formula? Right, left slice right, and right implies right minus 1. Isn't it? So n minus 1. Good. I hope you remember the formula. Excellent. Just go ahead and you got 8. Am I clear? So look at this. The slice after the number, after the index, slice before the number. Do you see this? So the meaning here, I'll use a comment here. Comment means, print the element, okay, which starting from which index, guys? First index. And here, this one, print the element or value till which one? 8 minus 1 index, guys. Concept clear? So this is, I hope there's a type of. Now let's go to another one, L3. Okay, so let's go L3. I want to little advanced slice. I want to guide you. Just two here. 2 slice minus 1. Just check this. Okay, just one here. When you see 2 slice minus 1, what you got output, guys? Oh, just one minute. I think I have to little bit display setting and okay. Can you do 2 slice minus 1 or not? When you do 2 slice minus 1, what happened, guys? It print reverts to list, isn't it? Now, are you doing it? Can you type L3? L3 2 slice minus 1. It is reverse. Let's L3. Online team, are you understand everyone? What is reverse? I know 1 to 10 and 10 to 1. That's called reverse. L3 2 slice minus 2. Can you tell me what could be the answer for this? Don't type copy and paste me. So what is answer? Okay, reverse slicing. Tell me. Reverse order except last element. No, Srikant. Is minus 2 step? Yeah. So let's do this here. So here what happened? We get this one. So how exactly happened? Let's see. What is L3 value here? 100. Okay. I will write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Am I clear up to this? Okay, don't say, sir, your letters are not visible, but you can listen my, speaking, right? So here, minus 2 means first. Slice means entire element or not? So when I say first 200 print and minus 2 step count, minus 1, minus 2, 8 is printed. Now minus 1, minus 2, 6 is printed. Now minus 1, minus 2. Now 4 is printed. Now minus 1, minus 2, 2 is printed. There is a no more values or not? Guys, are you clear? Everyone? Everyone, are you clear? Offline team, 7:30 p.m. batch. Just copy and L3 and try this. Can you please tell me minus 3? What is output? Can you please tell me what is output in list 3? What is first output? Okay, guys, there is a small announcement. Mr. Nagasur has replied. Link changed, but today no time for share new link to you. Tomorrow morning, I'll give you permanent class login detail. Okay. So the one who registered, so today due to busy schedule, it not changed. And tomorrow morning, then you got new link, everyone, the one who enrolled. Please join tomorrow with no new login ID. If any login issue, call me. And don't worry, don't immediately message that no response, but you get a proof. No worries. Am I clear, guys, everyone? Am I clear? Just go ahead. Thank you. Let's try. So can you please, Sai, versus when I explain, listen to the class first. Then you will do it later. You don't create a problem and trouble with the problem. Understand, guys? You don't create a new problem. This is easy, I know. First, what happen if I get tomorrow? Let stuff come, then we think. Understand? You don't make a situations where you don't make your mindset too hard to understand. So that's what I'm here. Let's go ahead and continue. Okay. So execute 200. So what is it? Print first 200 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 7 printed or not? Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 4 printed or not? Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Perfect. I hope everybody clear. I hope everybody clear up to this. Okay. So guys, slicing, are we done? Just one steps are pending in slice. Let me cover it. Sir, is the step count? Yes, that is the step count. So Mikant, yep, that is the step count in backward. Step count in backward. Let's go ahead. What is the difference between L3? Because both give same elements. There is a no difference. There is a concepts. L3 is a variable. L3 slice. That means when you do slicing, you can use L3 slice. Sri Mishra, you understand? Okay. L3 is a variable. All right. Next, L3 is a identifier. Now, L3, listen to me. Can you respond one slice, little complicated, one slice 8, or maybe one slice minus 2 and 2? Think and answer me, guys. Okay. Pradeep 200. No, man. See, don't answer immediately. I little complicated. Can you tell me? Don't type and tell me. I want to use your logic, guys. Let me tell you. First, how much, guys? 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Are you sure? Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. How come, guys, this one? Because 0, we skip it because we don't want that. We want first index. So 2 print. What is the step count? 2 step count. 1, 2. 4 is printed or not? What is second step count? 6. Now 1, 2, 8. So minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Perfect. Guys, are you clear or not up to this? Everyone? Fantastic. Okay. Now we understand forward indexing, backward indexing, step indexing. When the time goes, I'll give you more practical, and this is not so much tough where you can't do. It's just a presence of mind and little logic required. Gauri, very simple, dear. Lakshmi, Girisha, are you understand? L3. Okay, now L3, print the element from 0 to 7, two-step count. Okay, I'm saying, okay, just go here. First 0 print. First, what is 0? 100 print or not? Now, after that, how many step count? 2. 1, 2. Then 3 print. After that, 7 means what? You count first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because right always becomes right minus 1. Remember this one. So then 6 means 103, 1, 2, then what? 5, and then 7. Okay, so I hope you got this now. Just go here and you try this and you got output 10357. Team, are you clear? Are you working? Are you understand? A little bit? Okay, good. Next one. I hope you're clear now. Gauri, just go to the, I said I'll give you documentations today. Let's done this. In this document, this is very powerful documentations and I will complete at any cost. Then we list slicing we covered. Can you do it if I give you now? You type, don't copy and paste. I said all fingers are connected to brain. Type it. Okay. Yeah, let's error come. Then you fix the bug. Okay, we do this 2 slice 5 you learned, slice 3 we done. All those things we covered or not? Okay. Add, remove, append we covered or not? Append we covered. I want to talk about insert. Let's go ahead and insert L3 and list. And do I have L1? No. Do I have L2? Yes. So I will try to go L list. So how I get these elements? Because we defined yesterday or not? We defined yesterday. Okay. Let's say what is index, guys? So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand this? Let me close now. L dot insert shift tab. Insert object before index. What exactly doc string? Do you see what is doc string, guys? Document string means the functions explanations explain you. The functions explanations explain to the developer. You are a developer now. Don't say there's a non-technical. So when I say insert, I want to insert in second index, I want to insert a value 50. Just go ahead and check and then call L. 50 is added or not? Before index. 0, 1, 2 means this first argument is index position. 50 before added or not? How many of them clear? Offline, online team, everybody understand? Offline and online team, which concepts today we discuss? Insert. So in Python, do not write the code so fast. First thing, understand and write. Am I clear or not, guys? So understand and write. Do use tab. Don't be more researcher. You know what is researcher? Why dot is allowed? Why not underscore? If you research more, you will be like me only, isn't it? So don't do more researches, guys. All hair will go. Okay. No, I'm just saying, man, don't worry. Okay. So you research the bug. So where you research, guys, you need to research on error and be patient. And be patient. Just calm down. Everything will be work out. Just calm down. Pretty clear, guys, what I'm saying? Try to understand the error. Understand the error. If the bike is repaired, if you give to the mechanic, he will check where is the problem or not. He fix the problem. The same way, these are the problems. We have to fix it. That's why we call as a developer. Am I correct? Let's go ahead and do it. Now, so insert, everybody clear? Now L dot insert, and I want to minus 1 and 100. Can you tell me where do I insert now this one? Which online team response, please? Insert last positions before 10 or after 10. Are you sure? Just go ahead and check. Now let's call L. Okay, before. Who said last, man? No, before 10 only. Okay. Yeah. Don't try an interview. No, sir, I'm checking that. By the time he will select another guy. Okay. Just go ahead and insert functions clear. Can we go to the next command? Okay, add, insert, done. Okay, wait, remove we covered yesterday. Del my list. What happened? Delete. When I use del, so how many identifiers I have? L, list 1, list 2. So you have, if I remove del list, just execute. List is there or not? I mean to say, del L means, now check L. Entire element in the identifier is deleted. Concept clear? List dot clear. What is clear? Clear means the element will be deleted. But now when you use del, every element with identifier, the memory is clean now. The memory is clean. So from the memory space, in so why 10 move to right rather than left, Amlan? That's what I'm saying. 10 not, you don't understand the concepts then. It's saying insert means if you check shift tab, you will get insert the number before index. So if you add 10, then you 100 will be before index. Okay, Amlan? So it's not moved, sorry, but explain insert again. Okay. Okay, guys, please focus the class. I will insert again. What exactly insert comment saying? L2. Now I want to insert, I want to insert 5 at beginning. Okay. I want to insert 5. Just go to L2 dot insert. What is positions of 10? 0, comma 5. That means just execute. Now L2, 5. Are you clear? Before index or after index? Before index. Concept clear. Just go ahead. Insert part is done. Insert part is done. I hope you guys done. Next one. If you not understand, please, you can, uh, I give you this, you can try. Clear concepts, delete, we understood. Copy list. Copy list, are we covered or not? ID means what? Address. So ID of L2. This is address of the memory locations. ID of L. Why guys, we got error? Because L is deleted. L is deleted. If I need L again, just call from the beginning. I have to define L equals to, I have to assign a list one more time. Just go here, ID of L2, Excuse me, guys. Are you there? Are you listening and typing? Yeah. Okay, good. ID is done. Next one. Join list. Very good. What is the next concepts? Join the list. So how to join the list? So here I have L1. Okay, now I have L. Why? L1 is related. L2. Okay. L3. Better, I create a new list now. L4. What is L? List. L4 equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. L5 equals to L5 equals to 4, comma 5, comma 6. Execute. Are you clear? Look at this. The same things we're doing. Now I create L6 equals to L4 plus L5. Can you please type it? Just go ahead at L6. Fantastic. Concat. You know what is concatenations? Joining the two list. I mean to say in the memory locations, we created L4, we created L5, and I create a new identifier. I'm saying please add two lists. So we got all these elements over here. Very simple concepts or not? So in organizations, if someone asks you to add the two numbers, definitely, yeah, that is a difference. Operator, I will explain multiple operators. We have a Python operator. We'll go all those things. Don't worry. Okay, buddy. Those are the basics things. Okay, Venu. Again, but still we will talk about. Okay, L6. Team join list. Are you clear or not? Everyone done? Next one. List membership. Okay, what is meant by member? So the next concept is what? List. When you do the code, please mention this heading. These mention this heading. So I'm saying just here L or maybe L4. Oh, I'm sorry. Why it is invalid, guys? Why it is invalid? Syntax error. This is invalid identifier or not? Just go here L4 and execute. I'm saying does 1 in L4? Check true. Does 1 is the family of L4? These are the family member or not? In the memory, we create a L4 identifier and L4, these are the family members, guys. So we're saying, we're asking to the cell, hey Python, can you please tell me, does your family member of 1 is family member of L4? It responds yes, isn't it? Now you say, does 140 in L4 true or false? False. No, he's not my family, he's other family. No, guys, it's just a true and false. Okay. Concept clear up to this, guys? False. Next, go to the next one. This is very simple. I will tell you if else later. Just try to reverse and shortlist. What is the next concept? Reversing and shorten list. For reversing, L underscore R. Can I mention this identifier? Can I mention this identifier or not? L underscore rev means reversing. Right concept. Let's try to create the first thing. Okay, just here first L4. Now L4 dot reverse and try just L4. Do you see 3, 2, 1? Now what happened, guys? In the memory, we assigned 1, 2, 3. The moment when you apply reverse function, these are inbuilt functions or not? That's why when I do type, shift tab and tab, all the elements are displaying. Because of inbuilt functions, it is displaying. So L4 dot reverse, what happened? 3, 2, 1. It is reversing. Now L4 execute. Now it's again. I want to go to 1, 2, 3. L4 dot reverse execute. Now L4. I back to the normal. We do ascend. I mean, this is reversing or not? Concept clear? Concept clear? These are the basic concepts. Just go here and let's go to Soumyakant. When I explain something, you focus the class. I am talk about, see, I am talk about reversing. You try to fix the bug. Understand? See, I will tell you, please focus the class and listen to the classes. You are just a beginning. This is nobody ask an interview. We have more tough classes, guys. We have OOPS concepts, file handling, what is multi-threading, and how to connect to your MySQL, and what is class variable, inner class, outer class, how to what is inheritance, what is class method, what is instance method, what is getter, what is setter. So just to understand these all tough concepts, try to listen my classes and just work with me. Very much clear or not? So these concepts is very important and you have to know this. Next one, let's go to reversing part. Are you done? Okay, can we go to the next concept? Can we go to the next concept? Yep. Okay. Sorting. What is meant by sorting? Ascending and descending or not? Sorting means order, sort the number. How do you sort? Very important concepts. Please listen. L6 equals to 2, comma 20, comma 3, comma 100, comma 34. Is it a proper order, guys? L6. No, it is not a proper order. Let's assume when in industry has a lot of vendors. A vendor give the productions. Is it today I'll make one sale, tomorrow I'll make two sales? Do you think they will tell like that? No. First, now you want to sort it. L6 dot sort and execute. Now L6. Do you see ascending order or not? Can you type this now? Can you type this, everybody? L6 equals to 220, 334. And when you L6 dot sort, shift tab, sort the list in ascending order. Do you see this? Sort the shift tab, sort the list in which order? Ascending order means what? Small to big. Don't say I'm a non-technical guy. Guys, this is teach in third class, man. Ascending order, descending order. Understand or not? Yeah. Now the question, sir, how to make it descending order? Listen to me, guys. Very powerful concepts. I'm going to convey you. Just calm down. That's what I'm saying. Whatever questions you have in your brain, I know it. So I'll go to the next step and you concepts will be clear. Shift tab. How many parameters, guys? Key none, one parameter. Reverse false, two parameters or not? This sort functions build with two parameters. Listen to me. What I'm saying? This sort functions build with two parameters. LLM model Llama 3 or Gemma 2, it build with 9 billion parameters. You getting my point? 9 billion parameters means, see, that's why we call large language model. Getting my point? So anyway, those things are, I want to make two descending. Reverse false. Do you see reverse false here? I'm going to copy this and just go to L6 dot sort and here and apply. This is called true. Now execute L6. Do you see descending or not? This concept called tuning, parameter tuning, hyperparameter tuning. I want to introduce two concepts today. The first concept is parameter tuning and hyperparameter tuning. Okay, what is meant by parameter tuning? System by default gives you the value. Understand? Let's say you buy a new car. The car has 9 inches alloy wheels. The manufacturer company gives you 9 inches alloy wheels. You don't like 9 inch. You remove it, you update 20 inches alloy wheels. That's called hyperparameter tuning. So if the user change the system parameters is called hyperparameter tuning. Are you getting my point, guys? Parameter tuning and hyperparameter tuning. So that means In L2 dot short, shift tab false. It is parameter or hyperparameter? Anyone? This one parameter or hyperparameter? Online team, can you response? Jumble parameter. Where I first time I heard from you. In interview, don't talk like that. This is called parameter because system given me, which given me false. And I change just here hyper parameter. Don't worry, if you don't understand, leave it. If you understand, good. I will explain in later more concepts in machine learning. We do it. Okay, next one. Are you guys clear or not? But there is some scenario where sort functions not work. Are you work with me, guys? Online team? How many of them work with me, guys? Can you please raise your hands? Online team and offline team. How many of them work with me? Online team and offline team. I want to see. No problem. The one who didn't bring laptop, I can understand. And why you didn't bring laptop, guys? The one who didn't, you didn't want to practice in the class? Okay, I really appreciate to the students who, yeah, still some of them thinking, can I join this batch or not? So if you don't join this batch, you miss a lot of things, guys. Okay, see, many people will come back to me after 1 year, after 2 years. They will search. One guy, 100 demo he completed and he come back. Anyway, just go back to this now. Sorting, are we done? Sorting. Yeah, the one who learned this, that's fine. No. The one who already learned this, I'm not talking to you guys. You are expert. I'm just talking to the beginner, non-technical. So don't, no worries about that. L6. So let me tell you, L7 equals to first 1, comma, A, comma, 3.4. Can I short this? My questions to you, L7. Okay, first I have to create L7, execute. Now L7 dot sort. Can we do it? Just go ahead and check. No, we use parameter key equal to none in sort functions. How we use parameter key equal to none? Where is key equal to none? Okay, see, you don't worry about all those things, man. See, who's asked these questions? Let me talk about Tilak. In MS Word document, there are a lot of tabs or not, Tilak? Are you use all the tab every day? Getting my point or not? In MS Word, MS Excel, are you use every tabs, guys? No, that means there's a few concepts you need to understand. I hope you got me what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the same way, parameters as given, but which is important, that one only we use it. Okay, next one. L7 dot short. Why we got error? Why we got error? I will tell you funny, just give me some time. Exactly. It is not in equal order or not. Look at this error message, type error. Less than not supported string and int. Very good answers or not? Look at this error message. What exactly it's in sorting, either a user pass only integer data type or only string data type. Are you getting my point? Then only it will work. You getting my point? Let's try L7 equals to, I'll try to create as Z and M and A. So the student who joined for the first time, I will talk to you. I apologize. Let me, because I will share them. I'll take a backup classes, execute. Now L7, we have this L7 dot sort and tab and close it and just go here and L7 now. Do you see AMG or not? Alphabetic. So I hope you got the logic. In sort functions, we have to assign equal data types, either int or string. Pretty clear? Good job, guys. Thank you so much. And next one, go to the documents and let's finish. Loop. Are we covered the loop, guys? There's a two concepts I want to talk about in here, and give me 10 minutes, we'll cover. Just go here, the first one, L7. Now, can you type for I in L7, print I, check this, AMG or not? What we got output? L7 for I in L7, print I. This is, I will explain loops in detail again in conditional statement. All the part we have a class, just we going serialize wise. One by one I'll cover and then you work with me. I want to introduce another concepts, enumerate. For I in enumerate L7, and just 1 second. For I in, just go here and you check. Okay, I have to keep that in the bracket here and then print I, and here, just 1 second, check. Do you see what is enumerate? Shift tab, return an enumerate object. The enumerate object yields pair containing count. Do you see it will give you a pair or not? A index is 0, M index is 1, G index is 2. Now the question, sir, where we use this? In future classes, when you detect object detections, when you do a project, object detections, assume there are 10 vehicles are passed by this way. Okay. Now, how do you know to count the vehicles? If I create a enumerate, so can we detect each and every object's vehicle or not? Are you guys understand what I'm speaking? Are you guys understand where this concept we implement in future? Why enumerate is very important. So in future classes, I will explain when also in text mining, we have a text to vectors. So every text I need to hold as a enumerate objects, guys. So can you please type this code? Can you please type this code? Very powerful. And enumerate means what? It give you paired object. What is pairing? So check this, 0A, 1M, 2G. Guys, understand? So this is every day you bring your laptop and day by day the class is more interest when you work. If you don't work, it's bore. Understand? So last part of list count we covered. Last concepts of the list, all and any method. Very important one, L1C. Listen to me. What is the next concepts? All. All method returns true and false. Any functions returns true if any element in the list is true. If not, it return false. Clear, guys? All and any. Now, I want to apply. Let's go to, I will try to add what we have, L4. This is L4 or not? When I say all L4, what is output? True. Okay. Now L4 dot append 0. Now execute. What exactly happened? Functions always ends with this one. Now L4 0 is there or not? Can you try all L4 false? Do you see differences or not? Anyone understand? In the list 4, if you have 0, your all methods gives you false. Okay, or in my system, I got false, or your system, you got true. Anybody like that? Okay, so do you see online team? I hope you clear, guys, what exactly we type in here. All L4 means 1, 2, 3, you got true, and all any, I mean, I hope, let's try any of L4, it is true. Okay, guys, it is true. L3 and any of L3. By default, it will give you true. If you don't have any element, then it will give you false. L9 equal to empty. Now you can say any of L9, you try false. Are you clear? What exactly any saying? I'll explain one more time. Okay, listen to this. First, I'll type this code. There's a two concepts. Listen to me, all method and any method. All right, guys. What exactly any gives you? Let's say I have 1, comma 2, comma 3. In list, I have L9, 1, 2, 3. So it give you true because no zero is available. Clear? Now L9, which is 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 0. It will give you false because 0 is available. Now let's get back to the practical. Check this. L4, 1, 2, 3. Do we have a 0 here? Okay, this is all right. Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. Let's cut them up and I move here. This is what? All. Team, are you clear? L4, 1, 2, 3. Do we have a 0? No, that's why we got true. Now append 0. Now we got false. All concepts clear? Online team and offline team. Can we go to any now? Okay. In any L9, both 1, comma 2, comma 3, it will give you true itself. L9, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 0, it will give you true itself. But L10 empty list, concept clear? Just go here and check this now. Any, right? So here, any 13 true or not? I create empty list now. Now, any L9 false. So guys, congratulations, list we completed. Just go here and mark down and execute. List we mark down and execute. Just 1 second. I think L4 and oops, L4 and L5. So here L4 dot extend and L5, just execute. Now you check what is L4, guys. 1, 2, 3. Now when you check L4, it is added, right, guys? Clear what is extend? It will add the toString. So list is completed. The list is completed. So today, the first data structures we completed, and tomorrow we'll complete tuple and set. And then we go to the dict one by one. And this Saturday, I'll take a small test, okay, to validate your knowledge. And when you get good score, you get comfortable. And the next week, bring laptop. We do the first projects on about NumPy, about the metrics, and then we work together. So let me tell you, the guys who not enrolled yet, today is the last day, and so it's like, yeah, exactly. Any and all, one more, please. Venu just now explain. I want to tell you to the online team, when I explain, please listen to the class. Even though if you don't practice, no worries, practice later. Please talk to the mentor if you have any questions. Okay, I will tell you, Venu, listen to this. The first one, all and any, do one thing. I will share this document. Listen to this. L1, you have a 0 or not, Venu? When you have 0, when you check all, it will give you false. Okay, yeah. And when you don't have 0, it will give you, please share class on YouTube channel. No, YouTube channel was stopped till yesterday. Okay, Mohammed. Now you have to get for it. Understand, Venu? So today's session is fantastic. I go on. Why, Mayuri? Yesterday's session is not fantastic then? Hey, what is this, man? I'm kidding, guys. Don't worry. Don't scold me sometimes. Yep. Yeah, because you're doing it. Yes, sir. All sessions are now it's good. Okay. So I will share all the code to you. Just one moment. Everyone name is enrolled